guys, this is the part 2. So, this. Eyebrow. At last finish is ito. Ito yung glitter, ito yung original. Try natin yung glitter, kulay blue. Ito oh.